Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Syaiful Alam from University of Mercu Buana Yogyakarta. I came from food technology major, and in this section I will explain you about food storage warehouse. So, what is the food storage warehouse? So, first, food is something which can be and must be eaten by human to produce energy for human so they can do anything they want. Storage is a place to keep things from destruction, and food storage is a place to save food from tampering and ensure food has a longer shelf life before being eaten by humans. So food storage warehouse is a place that has built to store food products and to save them from nuisance. This is the picture of food storage warehouse. Okay, I will explain some of the criteria of our food storage warehouse reported from several references. First is facility design. The design and construction of buildings, including utility equipment, must be prevented and must not create a potential source of contaminations for the products manufactured and handled. Facilities must be good for constructions and free from leakage. Second is internal and external structures must be free from cracks, holes, or other areas that allows pests to enter. Like Gatland, mouse can enter through gaps less than 10 millimeter. Number three is supply lines like air, water, electricity must be properly installed under the floor so that there are no cleaning or foreign bodies or pest control problems. And number four is the structure must be free from potential source of contaminations like peeling paint, condensate from pipes or overhead structures, exhaust fan, grease, freight insulations, mold, or unwanted debris. Number five is floors, walls, ceilings, overhead, and drains must be cleanable and constructed to withstand damage from cleaning products or chemicals. Number six, all light fixtures and in the finished product and raw material storage areas must be protected or have light bulbs covered in plastics to prevent contamination in the event of damage. If is if this not practicable, existing glass damage control procedures should be followed. Number seven, all external doors must remain closed and must form an adequate seal when closed. Door, Doors that automatically close themselves are preferred. Loading areas must be protected to prevent entry of pests. Air entry should be limited by the vestibule, appropriate air curtains. Number 8. Doors, windows, and other openings must be prevented from being accessed by unauthorized person. Number 9. Access to utilities like water supply, heating, ventilation must be controlled to prevent unauthorized access. Number 10. If wet cleaning is required, the floor should be adequately designed to prevent waterlogging. If applicable, all new floor drain installations must be ventilated to prevent gas from entering the drain, and must be accessible and clean. Existing unentrapped and ventilated floor drains should be sealed or plans made for their replacement. Number 11. Hand washing facilities and restroom should be designed and maintained appropriately. As further safeguarding against food damage or contamination, food grade warehouse facilities function within four main principles known as the mechanism for principles for food grade storage. The principles are as follows. First, personal hygiene and training. The principle dictates that all employees of food-grade storage warehouse must wash their hands with company supplied soaps in sinks, equipped with hygienic drying system. Record of new employee training in the areas of food safety, personal hygiene, quality awareness, incident and crisis management, as well as traceability must be kept and updated. The second is pest control. Substance to ensure the prevention of pests such as rodents, insects, birds, ants, and other animals must be placed around the perimeter of the building. Updates to the pest control routine and any changes must be noted quarterly. Third, sanitation schedule. The warehouse facility must be properly cleaned and kept tidy at all times. All cleaning and housekeeping within the warehouse must be thoroughly documented, and the records are to be available whenever prompted. Last is load traceability, and finally, the warehouse must have a system in place for tracing load and date codes of products to ensure a first in, first out method in inventory rotation. So, for produce a good warehouse to store food products, company must concern at some points. First, the company has to build a standard infrastructure. Second, the company has to manage the employee and give them training about a good food storage warehouse. And the last or third, the company has to ensure the sanitation and hygiene to stop contamination in food products. So see you next time in the next video. Bye, sayonara.